What am I doing? I don't know. What are you doing? Honestly, is there ever a bad time to try on hair that you bought off the internet? I don't think so. I'm excited. Let's go. So you might have seen my last video where I bought bangs and buns off of Amazon, and that was so fun that I went and I bought more hair. And here it is. I bought these long, straight pieces that are probably not enough, but I just thought, well, what can I do with this one set? I think if I really wanted to extend my hair, I would need 2 or 3 sets. But let's see what we can do with this one set. I don't know. Let's just get stupid up in here. A 100% human hair, 8 inches long, because I don't have much hair length to play with and I didn't want to get ridiculous. And this really is going to be already too long. I don't know. What am I doing? I don't know. What are you doing? Let's see what happens here. It comes in different pieces that you clip in. And these are pretty small right here. That's there's 2 of those in that size. You can already tell this is going to get ridiculous. Oh, okay. So then there are some wider ones that have 3 clips. There are 2 that have 2 clips. And these seem to be an all right color for me. Ooh, and then there's a really long one. Hold on. I have to unclip it to get it out of here. Or I can just show you right in the box here. This really wide one, which I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do it. Oh, okay, there's a couple of those in there. Let's just get them all out. See how many pieces I have. I'm sure I'm not gonna look like this person on the picture. I should watch a tutorial on this, but don't you think it'd be more fun if I didn't? Because that's what I think. I need to get some clips so I can get my hair up and out of the way. I just kind of love to do things where I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe other people don't like that and they like directions. I like to just try things. And I think that what I need to do here is I need to get to this base of my hair and I need to put those really wide ones down there. At least I think that's how it goes. Maybe they're supposed to go higher. Maybe we'll find out. I prefer to find out rather than to know. So you can see here, I have very short hair. These pieces at the front are maybe 4 inches long. I don't really know how this is going to blend in, but I want to start with these wider pieces, the ones that have 3 clips. These are all unclipped, and they're just going to slide into my hair back here. And I'm going to kind of dig them in there and clip them in. Oh boy. Why don't I take this little jacket off so that we can really see what's going on here? This half up, half down hairdo. I look a little bit like an elven princess right now, which I actually like. I wouldn't mind being one of those. Let's do another 3 clipper right above it. I don't know. Okay, that's a little thicker. That's starting to look like maybe I do own this hair. But these are kind of cracking me up, these little dog ears. I'll figure out what to do with those in a bit. Okay, those were the wider pieces. Oh! They weren't the widest. Now I think I'm really doing things out of order. This one I think is the widest. How do I do this? Can I get under here? Possibly should have set these out in order, huh? Or what if I just go over this? I don't know. Oh, I like how this goes almost to the back of my ear. This is really going around. Hey, this is looking like my hair. This is pretty good. Very long. Look how long that is. I haven't had hair that long in quite a while. Nearly a year. I just can't help cutting my hair. I love short hair. It feels great. You just run your fingers through the back of your head and it's an amazing feeling. But sometimes you do want your long hair back. Uh-oh. This looks like the thickest piece of all, and it looks like the widest. I think I am really going out of order now. Okay, this is going to go above what I just did. This reaches even to maybe closer to my ear. Ugh, lots of clips in here. Hey guys, looking pretty good. I like this experiment. I always like these experiments. Why don't I go in with these 2 clippers? Should I put some of my hair down first? Maybe. And then re-clip it up so that they're kind of more blended in. Ouch. Ow. This is an interesting haircut. Chop, chop. Okay, I definitely need to maybe take out that top one and put it a little bit in between the rest of my haircut. Let's reposition that. So let's put my hair down. This is looking pretty funny, guys. But I know I can save this. I know I can. Okay, so I'm going to go a little bit higher this time so I can blend in my choppy bits here. And now I'm going to put this long one back in a little bit higher, like up around my crown. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with these little one-piecers, and I'm going to put them right in here to soften this line. I don't really know if I can put these into these tiny little pieces. Does it go? It does. This is fun. Okay, let's try that again on the other side. Now you can't run your fingers through your hair after you do this. Ooh, I almost accidentally did run my fingers through my hair and it hurts. Okay, now what? How am I going to blend this? I don't think I can. It's getting somewhere. I still have these 2 clippers left. I think I have to do that way up here to kind of hide my real haircut. Okay. Hey, that's not bad. Could be better. It's not bad. It's kind of like a rocker shag. I've had one of those before. I liked it. Okay, I'm just going to go up here around my, what do you call that? Where my head curves, right there. And I'm going to clip in my last 2 clipper. Okay, now what? Now what do we do? Oh, I don't know what's going on back here. One of these clips is interfering with my hair sitting down. Let me figure out what's happening. Now what? I guess we style it. It's very chunky. It's very chunky. Now, I really didn't expect this to blend in perfectly because my hair is so short. But I kind of like where we're going with this, and I think there's a couple things we can do to make this happen. First is I'm going to try to style the pieces together, my hair and the fake hair. So at least they might have the same amount of wave. Oh boy, I don't know how to do hair. And this is like a really sloppy curling iron technique. Do not follow what I am doing. Never do what I say. Never do this. Okay, so this isn't looking bad, although I did something wrong with the clipping up here because it's creating a big lump. You know, I could... I obviously did something wrong. Here, it's creating a cowlick kind of situation. I think this one needs to be redone. Hold on. This is the 2 clipper causing the... Oh no, it's not the 2 clipper causing the problem. What's causing this problem? I can't tell. Okay, I found the problem. I found it. But I don't know how to fix it. Flip it back in. Put the hair over it. Now I need to kind of get that 2 clipper back in to soften this chunk to chunk. This is giving me a highly layered, almost feathered look. Feathered hair! I had that at one point. Well, I think this might be passable in the dark. I only go out in the dark. Okay, we're going to try to curl this a bit so it doesn't just chunk straight down. This is terrible technique. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Okay, and let's curl these bits. Let's curl these bits that aren't mine. Somebody else's bits. Why do I love this so much? I do. Okay, I'm going to curl some of mine in with the other hair now. It's kind of messy, but it's passable. It's me with long hair again. And I know what you're thinking. You should grow your hair long again. Everybody says that. And guess what? I don't like caring for long hair. I might look better with long hair, but I don't like caring for it. I love the way short hair feels, but it's fun to go back to long hair every once in a while. And you know, this is just one set of hair extensions. I think if I had two, it could look real and I could blend it a lot better. But this isn't bad. So it's not great, obviously, because I do have a chunky back here. Okay, so I would need more if I really wanted it to look real. But these would be enough if I were going to do something like tie a headscarf on. So let's do it. You know I like it. You know I like a scarf. Okay. So how about that? That looks nice. I like that. And it disguises my chunky hair back there. I could definitely get away with that. I could get away with this hair. It really is my color and my texture. And if I styled this right, people would be like, what? How did you get long hair all of a sudden? Magic. Amazon magic. Other people's body parts magic. It's so strange that you can order body parts off the internet and clip them onto your own head. What do you guys think? Passable? Definitely needs another set if this is gonna be something. Or if I were to just trim this to shoulder length, I think that it actually probably would be enough. And I like shoulder length hair. Maybe I'll try that in a different video. Don't tempt me to do more of these hair extension videos because I want to do them. I want to order all the hair. You know when this would be passable? If I were going to make a fake ponytail. Definitely. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to go get a scrunchie. Let's do this. A low ponytail. Ooh, it's very slippery, this hair. And there's not much of it, so I have to be a little more careful. I don't know, it's been so long since I've made a ponytail with long hair. This would require a little bit of bobby pinning. But there's my ponytail. I think that looks nice. There it is. Hello. Very thin. Doesn't matter. And you definitely can't be running your fingers through your hair once you do this. That's for sure. Okay, let's just tuck this back. Well, what do you think? Yes, passable. Maybe I will get the rest of the set of these and make it look better than like mushroom and shag. But, you know, I actually don't think this shag is a bad idea. And if I only go out in the dark, I have long hair. Oh boy. You know, I think what else could work is a half up, half down kind of look. Let's do that. So I'll take most of my hair here. I want these extension clips to show. I'm mostly putting my hair back in this half up look. Let's take some of these longer pieces out and tuck the shorter ones behind. Ooh, this is tricky. Tricky. Okay, now you know what? That is passable. That's a passable look. It's very soft and feminine and pretty, but it totally doesn't set off any alarm bells. And this is just one set of extensions, so that's a lot of fun, and it was not very expensive. The link is below for these particular hair extensions, so if you want to get your own, check it out. Oh goodness. I am definitely becoming a hair extension addict. I love this stuff. And I still get to have my short hair. I get to have my cake and eat it too. I love this. So if you want to watch my other hair extension video where I do bangs and buns, it's super fun and it's right here. So fun to do this with you today. I will see you soon.